Today we've got a 2016 Buick Cascada Premium with a deep sky exterior and a jet black interior. 1.6 liter 4-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. Current mileage is 3,640 miles. Rear parking sensors, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, leather seats, power driver seat, power windows and mirrors, automatic headlights, collision detection, steering wheel audio controls, heated seats, navigation, backup camera, rear bucket seats, come check us out at Haydocy Automotive on the west side of Columbus.